Hello students, we continue with chapter 13, part 5, exercise 13.2, question number 5. Here you can see the figure. A vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. Its height is 8 cm and radius is 5 cm. It is filled with water up to the brim. When lead shoots, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5 cm are dropped into the vessel, 1/4 of the water flows out. Find the number of lead shoots dropped in the vessel. So what is the height of conical vessel? It is 8 cm. Radius is 5 cm. It is completely filled with water. So volume of water in the conical vessel, it is 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi we will put as pi, 5 square into 8. Now, how many lead shoots have been dropped in it? Volume of one spherical lead shoot, it is 4/3 pi r cube. Let number of spherical lead shot are n. So volume of n spherical lead shot, what concept we will use in this question? Volume of n spherical lead shot is equal to 1/4 of the volume of water in conical vessel. Because when we put this number of lead shoots, 1/4 of the volume dropped out. So volume of n spherical lead shot is equal to 1/4 volume of water in conical vessel. Now number of lead shoots we have supposed as n into 4/3 pi r cube. 1/4 1/3 pi r square h. Pi by 3 is cancelled from both sides. So that's why we have not put the value of pi. Now after further simplification, number of lead shot will be 100. So 100 lead shot will drop out 1/4 volume of water in the conical vessel. Now next question number 6. A solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 cm and base diameter 24 cm. One solid cylinder of height 220 and diameter 24, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 and radius 8. So one big cylinder has been surmounted by other small cylinder. Find the mass of the pole if 1 cubic centimeter of iron has approximate 8 gram mass. So first cylindrical part has height 220 centimeter and radius 12 centimeter. Volume is pi r square into h. Second cylindrical part has height 60 centimeter and radius 8 centimeter. Volume pi r square into h. Keep the radius and height separate. Total volume, this is the volume of big cylindrical part and this is the volume of small part. Taking pi common and putting the values 144 into 220 plus 64 into 60, 35520 pi. Then putting the value of pi. This is the volume. Now mass contained in it. 1 cubic centimeter has mass 8 grams. So this volume will have mass 35520 into 3.4 into 8 divided by 1000 to change it into kilogram, and it will be 892.2624 kilogram. Now question number 7. A solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter, and this is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water. So this is a solid in the shape of a hemisphere surmounted by a cone. It is placed upright in a cylindrical vessel full of water. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder if radius of cylinder is 60 and height is 180 centimeter. When solid is put in the cylinder, how much volume of water is left in the cylinder? So first, what dimensions are given? Radius of cone is equal to radius of hemisphere. So this is 60. Total height is 180 and height of conical part is 120. Now what is the volume of solid? This is volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. 1 by 3 pi r square common, radius same for cylinder, cone and hemisphere. H plus 2r, putting the value of the radius and height of conical part 120, twice of the radius is also 120. It is 28,800 pi cubic centimeter, volume of solid. Now when solid is put in the cylinder, how much volume of water left in cylinder? That will be equal to volume of water in cylinder minus volume of solid. How much water left in cylinder? Volume of water in cylinder minus volume of solid. So volume of water in cylinder is pi r square h, capital H for height of cylinder, that is 180, and volume of solid we have already find out, 2,88,000 pi. Now putting the values, it will be 3,60,000 pi. At the end we will put the value of pi and simplify it. Question number 8. A spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck 8 cm long and 2 cm in diameter. The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5. By measuring the amount of water it can hold, a child finds its volume to be 345 cubic centimeter. Check whether she is correct or not using pi 3.14. So vessel is in the form of a spherical part and a cylindrical neck. Height of cylindrical neck is 8, radius 1 centimeter, diameter of spherical part 8.5 and radius 4.25. Now volume of water contained in it, that is volume of cylindrical part pi r square h 8 pi and volume of spherical part 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now total volume of water contained in it, this is volume of cylindrical part plus volume of spherical part, 8 pi plus 4 by 3 pi into 4.25 cubic. So 8 into 3.4 plus 4 by 3 into 3.14 into 4.25 cube. After simplification it is 346.5 cubic centimeter, but given volume is 345 cubic centimeter. So it means the child is not correct. So I hope you are able to understand the concept of volume. In your homework, you will complete exercise 13.2. Thank you.